All right, good morning. Good morning, everyone, and thank you. Thank you for being here today. And what a great day here in Reston. 75 degrees here today, right? And we closed out this momentous week with where we kind of what I call like a festival of democracy, where we all got together, as Tom said. We have a new leadership team in the federal government. So regardless of party affiliations, we want to get together. There is a lot of impact the change in government has. So we want to wish all of our elected representatives, wish them the best, courage, wisdom, resilience, as we are living in a very turbulent time. And I am very excited to see all of you here in the room today. I see people all across the spectrum of GovCon industry. We have people here today from aerospace defense. We have people here today from the space manufacturing companies, from defense manufacturing, space exploration, large and small IT services company. And we have a great event today that we have lined up. But before we get started with the programming today, I want to start by saying thank you. Thank you to all of you. Thank you to all of our customers who have helped us get to where we are. Without your trust and confidence in us, we would not be here today. And you see some of them displayed here, and there are many more. We have more than 25,000 users across the country who are benefiting from TechnoMile platform. And we want to be very thankful to all of them today. And I see a lot of them here today in the room. I see Arlene here. She's a long-time TechnoMile customer from Perspecta, Paraton. I see Kimberly here. I see Rocky and Mark Lee, who are the CEOs of DMI and ERT. We are going to hear from them today. So we are blessed with all of your confidence and success. So thank you, and thank you for everything that you do for all of us. And I also want to thank all of our partners who have helped us get here. Thank you to Salesforce, Microsoft, AWS, and our event sponsor today, who is RSM, and they have a big booth here in the CX Lounge as well. So again, thank you, and let me share a little bit about where we are, what we are doing with TechnoMile. But at TechnoMile, we come from different backgrounds. We have folks from various cultures, various backgrounds. We have folks from GovCon industry. We have folks from technology industry. But we are all bound together by a same purpose. And we are here really to empower you and to really pursue these greater opportunities, delivering transformative end-to-end solutions that provide an information advantage and elevate the performance of your companies who are doing business with the government. And during today's program, you will see what we are doing, and I'm super excited with what we have launched this year, and also the platform that we are building to deliver value to you all. And following my session here, you have my product and engineering leaders who are going to share what we have coming up down the line in next year and some of the new innovations we are presenting here. And during today's sessions, you will have an opportunity to talk to the CEOs who are building their organization and scaling up. We also have the growth accelerators, the team that is helping grow your business development team, and contract innovators. So there is a lot of content here today, and there is something for everyone in our community. But as we reflect on how this technology has evolved this year, we can't really stop and not talk about AI and how AI is influencing it. When you look into the surveys that are done, we have seen 41% of the task and the work that is done within the workforce is some of these repetitive and tasks that can be automated by the artificial intelligence. And all the workforce is excited about using this. So during this survey that was done by Salesforce, they said 80% 80% of the workforce is using some type of AI incorporated into their day-to-day workforce. When Tom mentioned ChatGPT, and we talked about this 2 years back into our conference, that was how we were all introduced to AI. And fast forward to today, everyone is trying to use AI in some form or fashion. So when we see 80% of the people using it, it is kind of surprising when you see only 11% of CIOs and CISOs believe that they have adopted AI into their workforce. So the disparity is pretty staggering. And you would see when you ask the concerns around AI, it's always about three things: reliability, accuracy, security, and privacy. So those are the three main concerns. Everyone's talking about it. So when we think about artificial intelligence and how we incorporate into our product, that's something that's always front and center. And how are we tackling it? And that's something you will hear what we are doing, how we are building our platform today. So all of these challenges on AI adoption are very real. You would see that majority of the AI companies, when they are in companies that are introducing AI, you would see that they are struggling. They are struggling with security, reliability, and essentially the privacy access. But during our sessions, what we have done at TechnoMile and what we are working on is this domain-specific AI that we are deploying it into our secure cloud that will allow you all to utilize this technology by keeping these three concerns and addressing them on what we are doing when we are delivering our AI solution. So when you look at the AI journey, so this is kind of like when we talk about ChatGPT and how the world of AI has evolved. We were introduced to it with chatbots. That was like when we can upload and ask questions. And then it evolved into these co-pilots, which were assisting all of the users in doing certain tasks. And that you would see a lot of co-pilots. TechnoMile will be showcasing the Transform Copilot capability that we have now introduced into our product that assist in users of your organization in extracting data, analyzing the information. So it's really empowering the users to make intelligent decisions and how the co-pilots help them. And then when you see what's coming down the line, and Foresters, we have Ala, who is going to share about the evolution of AI and the journey of AI, and you will talk about this agentic AI now, which is we are now evolving AI into these agents that are performing tasks. So when we look at our industry and what we are doing here today, and the solutions that we offer, there are a lot of these tasks that you do that can be automated and that can be performed using the agents and the AI agents, the agentic AI. So Kevin and Aaron will share about our roadmap in terms of what we see agents doing for these workflows that your users and all of our customers are incorporating that here as well. So really excited about everything that we are going to talk about here today. But when we look at everything that we are doing, and we are keeping that security and privacy really front and center. So what we have done at TechnoMile is we took the best-in-class AI. So we took the models that were created for the commercial use cases of the OpenAI models, the Anthropic models, and what we did, the Llama models, and installed them, configured them into our secure cloud. We have been very aware of the cybersecurity changes that NIST came up, so we are really making sure that all of this is in compliant. And then we developed our foundational models really to tackle the GovCon industry. Because every problem that we are solving for you all is very unique. At TechnoMile, we are very focused and making R&D investment. So we developed these foundational models to really enhance the workflows that we created. And what does that do? It helps you really these fine-tuned models now are going to help you create contract documents. It helps you create responses that when you talk to your government agency officials and what they are doing, they're also going to create recommendations for you in terms of what actions that your users should be performing, be it what opportunities to pursue, really what contract risk exists into your documents. So a lot of that is really related to around what we are doing in terms of creating, authorizing, recommending actions for your workforce. Really that the intersection of cybersecurity, AI, and GovCon. That's where TechnoMile lives, and we have a lot of investment that we are doing here today. So many of you are familiar with the core offerings that TechnoMile offers, which is GovSearch AI, which is our federal market intelligence product. We have Growth Platform that's really targeted to business development, capture executives, and how they can efficiently use these technologies to really enhance the life cycle of acquiring and identifying contracts. And then we have a contract suite that is really targeted to what compliance and actions that you have to perform. And you would see AI that is really embedded now across all of these products, both copilots and agentic AI weaved into all of this to really deliver you on the mission that you all are on, which is to provide and the service to the government and meet the requirement of the mission. That eventually is going to offer all of the executives this single pane of glass. What we talk about is all of these are different workflow functions, but the executives want to know what's happening. When I pursue an opportunity, what risk exists in those opportunities? Should I be pursuing? What are my competitors going to be? What does the agencies are talking about when they are looking for this capability? How should I pursue that? And then when I get awarded on it, what should be my compliance workflow will look like? And then give me all of the reporting requirements that gets elevated at the C-suite level so that you can get recommendations. You can see all of the reporting and dashboard capability as well. And we have here clients of all sizes. The small organizations who are looking something different, while when we talk to Leidos and Mantech, what are they looking for? In terms of, there are very different requirements, and TechnoMile is trying to incorporate all of those so that we can deliver you the best-in-class software. And many of you will hear from Mac today, who has done billions of dollars of acquisition. The M&A activity is also very critical. So when we look into these, all of you and acquiring companies, you want to have a platform that can scale. It can incorporate new capability very easily and then configure and scale that platform. So there is a session this afternoon about the M&A topic and what's happening in the industry. But TechnoMile is building that platform in order to scale very easily, and you can extend that as well. So Aaron and Kevin, our product and engineering leaders, will share those capability with you all today. So more broadly, really the investment that we are doing is really targeted. You have a partner here in TechnoMile where we want to solve your problem statements. We are really focused on this industry, committed to this. What we call is, we are ourselves, we call them, and a lot of people ask me, who are you all, what do you guys do? We say we are B2B company, but all our customers are B2G companies. So we are really very focused on that landscape and really investing that. So as you see, a lot of excitement. I'm very excited about the roadmap that we have coming up, all of the new capability that we offer, so that we can give you the value to meet those mission statements that you have. So I'm really excited. I hope you all are as well. So with that, let's get this program started. And Tom talked about the whole agenda, but the first, which is the next following this, is really the product and engineering session. And I know as a product company, that's what we are super excited about, and we are investing a lot of money on it and a lot of new capabilities. So I would like to welcome Aaron and Kevin onto the stage so that they can share with you everything that we have developed and what is coming down the pipe. So Aaron and Kevin.